With Thanksgiving just a week away, the CDC has issued new COVID-related guidelines, urging Americans to stay home and not travel, while limiting plans for those seeking to gather for the holiday. The recommendations include wearing a mask, social distancing, and hosting a small number of guests for Thanksgiving dinner outdoors. The CDC even putting out a map to show those still considering holiday travel where outbreaks are the worst. Health officials issuing the guidance as the coronavirus, at nearly 250,000 deaths and more than 11 million infections, is raging throughout the nation. In a statement Tuesday, the White House Coronavirus Task Force calling the spread aggressive and unrelenting, without evidence of improvement, but rather further deterioration. Republican Senator Chuck Grassley tweeting he's in quarantine after testing positive. From coast to coast, long lines of cars as people wait to get tested before Thanksgiving. And another run on stores has left shelves empty. Governors and mayors mandating severe restrictions, some more extreme than earlier this year, as a new wave of cases shatter records. Philadelphia banning indoor gatherings of any size, public or private. Health officials warning that without dramatic action, city hospitals could be overrun by the end of the year.
It means no indoor parties, group meals, football watching groups, no visiting between households, no indoor weddings, funerals, baby showers.
With record cases in California, Governor Gavin Newsom is halting plans to reopen, placing most of the state back under the strictest set of rules, including a ban on indoor worship services and the closure of local businesses.
This is simply the fastest increase California has seen since the beginning of this pandemic.
Ohio and other states now enforcing a mask mandate. While some may question the new restrictions, Dr. Craig DeLisi of Titus Regional Medical Center in Mount Pleasant, Texas, says it's important to keep others safe this holiday season, including taking precautions in the days before you travel.
You know you're going to go to family gatherings where there's going to be especially older relatives that could be sick or more vulnerable, that maybe that means that for the week or two preceding, you should do less of especially unnecessary types of things.
Meanwhile, Pfizer says it has met requirements for emergency use authorization from the Food and Drug Administration for its vaccine and plans to file the application in a number of days. The FDA says approval could take 2 to 4 weeks. Upon approval, Pfizer says the vaccine could ship that night. And overnight, the FDA approved the first fully at-home COVID testing kit. It will allow people to get results at home within 30 minutes or less. Charlene Aaron, CBN News.